How to create an account on EDX. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an account on EDX. First, open a browser and head over to edx.org. You will see an interface like this. Then, go to the top right corner of the screen and find the option Sign In. You can register here for free. In this video, I will show you how to create an account. So go to the sign in option, give your mail, or you can continue with the options such as Apple ID, FB, Google, or Microsoft account. I will continue with my Google. So I will click on continue with Google. After that, EDX will ask you for drive access. Click to continue, and that's how you can create an account on EDX.